Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change oil in an am6 bike. The first thing you should do is warm up the motorblock a little bit. About 5 minutes must be enough. After warming, we need to remove the oil drain screw. We always can find it at the bottom of the engine. A good tip: if we unshrink the oil filler, the oil flow out easier. We should wait quarter or a half an hour to let the oil flow out of the engine slowly. It is important to set the bike horizontal to flow out all of the oil. After that, clean a little bit and put back the screw. Don't tighten it too hard, because we can damage with it. You should tighten it firmly, but not too strong. The next step is fill the engine with oil. It is a very hard question to what oil to choose. I put my bike 80 W90 because I think it's good for the am6 engine. After that, we should remove the indicator screw. We can usually find it at the right of the engine. Afterwards, we should fill the engine with oil. The bike must be set horizontal. We should pour the oil until it flows out of the hole. After we do it, put back the screws and our oil change is done. The last step is check the oil drain. If you tightened it well, you have done the oil change. So guys, I have to say goodbye. Let's go and ride a little bit in this nice weather.